Welcome students to the session of panoramic physics. Students, today our topic of discussion is variation of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity with altitude. Altitude से क्या फर्क पड़ता है वैल्यू ऑफ g पे? एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी वेरीज चेंज होती है. इट शोज वेरिएशन at on the surface of earth. It is 9.8 meter per second. Now question comes in mind कि this is the type of acceleration which is produced on the action of by the action of rather force on certain mass, and it gets accelerated towards the center of earth. Let us consider a surface mass on the surface of earth or near the surface of earth, and it is your radius of earth, that is r. From here up to this mass surface पे हम we are living on the surface of earth. Let us imagine कि that at certain height h, एक height h पे हम imagine करेंगे, this is the that height h, that at this particular height what will be the effect on the value of g. rather उस टाइम पे जो एक्सेलरेशन पे इफेक्ट आएगा that will be coined as gh और g dash. It's up to you कि आप इसे कौन सी टर्म में, it also refers to height in some books or here it is also g dash. It's up to you आप इसे क्या मान लेते हैं. Now the fact is that from the relation between g equal to gm upon, from this relation we have already done in the previous video, you can see that video also, g equal to gm upon r square, that is the relation between small g and capital G. This is the value of g on the surface of earth. This is the value of g on the surface of earth. Now you move further to certain height h. What will the value of g here? Let it be gh is r plus h whole square. Let this be the value on the surface of earth. You can write simply g or gs, the way you want to write. Here it is gh, that is your second equation. Now when a object is moving with a certain force over here, now that force we know is mass into accelerated motion, that is force is given by m into a, here it will be m into g, and also we know the force due to gravitational attraction is again, that is your, here in this case it will be r plus h square. So from here we derive this. आप इसे directly भी यहाँ से कर सकते हैं, or simply you can consider again कि let force acting on the object of mass m is m into g. That is due to the, simply we know from the norms of force होता है mass into acceleration, or you can see this is equivalent to your force applied by the earth on an object, and when you just equate them you get this thing. और simply हमें मालूम है कि g और capital G का क्या relation है, that is gm upon r square. First equation. From here second equation will be on certain height h above the surface of earth, this will be like this. Now on dividing second by first, second और first को हम जब आपस में divide करेंगे, we get certain equation like that, and this equation students, ये equation आएगी हमारे पास, that is gh upon g comes out to be gm, will get cancelled out, we are left with r square upon r plus h square, or you can simply write r upon r plus h square, gh upon g, and gh here is r upon r plus h whole square into g. आप इसे gs लिख लीजिए on surface of earth के लिए, और you can simply keep it as g. बेसिक मुद्दा हमारा ये है कि ये r square था, डिनोमिनेटर, you look at the denominator, here it is r plus h. तो this value gh is always less than the g. Reason is that here मैथमेटिकली आल्सो r प्लस एच से अगर आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है यहाँ पे एंड दिस वैल्यू इज गोइंग टू बी लेस, सो जी एच हमेशा g से लेस होगा. दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू यूज फॉर द हाइट्स ऑफ ग्रेट हाइट्स, लाइक जो कोई चीज स्पेस में चल रही है या हमें किसी चीज की हाइट के बारे में जानना है विच इज इन स्पेस और सम स्पेस स्टेशन और सम लाइक दैट. लेकिन देयर इज अनदर पॉइंट, जब h इज लेस देन r हो, इसी डेरिवेशन में हम एक थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देंगे, दैट इज लाइक दिस. इफ इट इज इन ए स्मॉल हाइट, जैसे 5 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर स्पेसक्राफ्ट की हाइट, उसके लिए हमें ये फार्मूला इस्तेमाल करना है. वी हैव टू यूज दिस फार्मूला फॉर दैट. देयर इज अ लिटिल वेरिएशन हियर. दिस इज सेम थिंग बट we'll write it in a terms like that. R, it is r square that comes out to be r square common 1 plus h upon. This will be like that. Now here we are left with 1 plus h upon r. You consider this in a single term, that is minus 2. Here it will get cancelled. GH G. Students, now what will happen? Using binomial theorem है हमारे पास, that says 1 plus nx plus like that nx n minus 1 and so on, it keeps on increasing. यहाँ binomial का जैसे हम यूज करेंगे, we'll get something like that. ये वैल्यू है h less than r के लिए, very less than r के लिए. It will be 1 minus 2h upon r. आगे further values आएंगी, r square, r cube, something, some expressions will be there. But students will ignore those because h is less than r. h r से इतना कम है तो r square और r cube से it will be going to be very negligible. So we ignore the higher terms. Ignoring higher terms, we get gh equal to 1 minus 2h r into g. And from here it is again clear that gh, acceleration due to gravity at height h decreases, means altitude के साथ value of g कम होगी. And this formula you have to use, very simple one and important too, for the things which are just like a jet flying or something on the top of a mountain. You have to consider acceleration due to gravity for some height about 5 kilometer, 10, 15, 20 kilometers like that. But for outer space, higher spaces, we consider this formula likewise. So this is all about variation of g with altitude. Go through it thoroughly, and of course we are going to do its numerical part very soon.